The laptop that I am talking about in today's video has to be the most premium and high-end Windows laptop that I have ever used. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2025 brand new HP EliteBook X G1a, and today let's talk about it. Now, full disclosure, HP did send out this laptop to us to test, and this video is in collaboration with them, but I was already super excited to check out the new EliteBook series because this comes with the new Ryzen Pro AI series of processors up to the Ryzen Pro 9 HX 375, which comes with 12 cores and 24 threads, promising great performance. And today we are going to check out exactly how great that performance is on the EliteBook. Now, the variant of the laptop that we have here is the mid-spec version. This comes with the Ryzen AI 7 Pro 360 processor with 8 cores and 16 threads. This laptop also comes with AMD's proprietary Radeon 880M graphics, promising good graphical performance for GPU-intensive tasks as well. Now, other than all of this, guys, there's a lot to talk about this laptop, so let's not waste any more time. What's up, guys? Anubhav here. Today we're talking about the new EliteBook X G1a. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon, and with that said, let's get started. Okay, so here is the HP EliteBook X G1a in the flesh, and I have to say I was super impressed with this laptop the moment I took it out of the box. The laptop looks and feels very premium, and the design as well as the materials with which it has been built promises that this is a very high quality and premium high-end laptop. The unboxing experience was also superb, and the laptop's build quality, as I said, feels really premium. Now, the laptop is made with aluminum and a lot of other recycled metals, and it feels really good to the touch. It also passes the single finger test, where you can open up the screen with a single finger and the laptop doesn't wobble anywhere. So that also speaks volumes about how premium it is, and I was very impressed to see that. Now, you know, guys, once you open up the laptop, you can see this wonderful dual tone thing happening, where the silver body of the laptop really complements the silver trackpad, as well as this sort of dark gray keyboard layout that looks very neat, and the contrast between these two colors look really amazing. The keys of the keyboard are super silent, feel really good to type on, and are super easy to get used to with great travel and great placement of keys. In the keyboard, you also get a fingerprint reader on the power button, which has a more robust feel to it to differentiate from the rest of the buttons. Along with that, you also get other keys with LED indicators, like on the mute key, the mic button, and the caps lock button, which is really nice in case you turn them on and don't realize that you have them turned on. There is also a Windows Copilot button for quick access, which is a very good touch, especially in our AI-driven workflows. The trackpad also, in my testing, was plenty big, and it also had great feel and feedback. Now, guys, we also see top-firing speakers on the side and speakers at the bottom. These have sound from Bang & Olufsen, and they sound incredible. Just take a listen at this sound test. What do you guys think about the sound test? Definitely, guys, I'll say this, these are the best sounding speakers that I have ever heard coming out of a Windows laptop, and that is absolutely amazing. Now, something that takes these speakers to the next level and is also responsible for the great sound is the PolyStudio audio tuning available on its laptop, and that you can also see from the branding on the side, where it says PolyStudio on the laptop itself. Now, PolyStudio doesn't just do audio tuning, there's audio tuning and also the Poly Camera Pro app that gives you a multitude of additional features for meetings and conferences on this laptop, which is equally impressive. Now, guys, coming to the display of this laptop, the display of this laptop is absolutely phenomenal. This is a wonderful 14-inch 2.8K OLED touchscreen panel with 120 Hz of refresh rate, and it also has 400 nits of peak brightness to make everything very versatile and enjoyable. Now, watching content with deep blacks on an OLED screen is always incredible, and this also being a color accurate panel and supporting over 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut means that even if you're going to be doing color grading tasks on it, or you're going to be editing photos in apps like Photoshop and Lightroom, everything is going to be super accurate and look really good. Now, let's talk about I/O and ports, shall we? Because HP has really thought of everything over here and has given us a wide array of options. On the left side, we have a full-size HDMI 2.1 port and two Type-C ports. One is a PD port with support up to 10 Gbps, and the other is another power delivery delivery port with 40 Gbps speeds, and along with that you also get a 3.5mm headphone jack, which also doubles up as a mic port, which is very nice to see. On the right side we get a standard nano Kensington lock, another USB type A port, and again a power delivery type C port up to 40 Gbps. Now, after all of this I/O and this great performance and speakers and battery life, this laptop is still pretty lightweight and comes under 1.5 kilograms, which is super sleek to carry around in your backpack and on the go. As far as charging is concerned, yes, the laptop comes with a 140 watt brick for charging, and it also supports fast charging up to 50% in just 30 minutes, which is very good to see. Now, coming to software, guys, this laptop comes out of the box with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, and AMD has really done something incredible with this series of processors. The Ryzen AI 7 Pro 360 has a max boost clock speed of 5 GHz and gives a very good performance in day-to-day usage. Web browsing, running multiple apps, etc. is very smooth, and I never once encountered any lags or hiccups while using and testing this laptop. The integrated NPU, guys, delivers up to 55 TOPS of performance to run AI-driven workflows locally, and that can be seen in the HP Companion AI app as well, which comes pre-installed out of the box and can do a lot of AI-driven tasks and can also act as your AI assistant whenever you need it to be. Along with that, it also works really well in AI use cases in the Adobe Suite for apps as well for creators, and of course in the Poly Camera Pro app for effects like face tracking in video calls and conferences, where it automatically tracks where your face is and zooms in the camera based on where you are moving in the frame. The integrated GPU of the Radeon 880M that is seen in this spec of this laptop is also pretty damn good in terms of graphically intensive tasks, which I thought was really good, and it gives you very good graphics performance. And technically, even though this is not a gaming laptop on paper, it's more aimed towards professionals and creators, you could still actually end up with some very decent gaming performance in medium to high settings at 1080p. So yeah, you can also sort of game on it if you have to. Now, my variant comes with 32 gigs of DDR5 memory to keep it running smooth, and you can actually spec up this EliteBook with up to 64 gigs of DDR5 memory and 2 terabytes of M.2 SSD, which makes it really cool for high-speed multitasking. At this level of storage and RAM, this laptop is buttery smooth. Now, this EliteBook X G1a coming with the Ryzen AI 7 Pro 360 starts at around 2 lakhs here in India, and at this price point, it's definitely an expensive purchase for those select few who need this massive AI performance, portability, and this gorgeous 2.8K 120Hz OLED display. Expensive? Yes, but worth it? Definitely. Check it out from the link in the description below, and let me know what you guys think about this laptop, whether you're planning to pick it up or you already have purchased it and now you're watching the review to justify your purchase. Well guys, that was my review of the 2025 HP EliteBook X G1a. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon for more such reviews, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, and bye-bye. Peace out.